If you click this video, that's because you want to make money with the TikTok affiliate marketing, and I can bet you are in the right place. This TikTok page is gaining millions of views, and this page is having less than 30 videos. In fact, this TikTok page is more or less a new one. And what if I told you that this TikTok page is just copying and posting videos that are done by other people? This page is simply copying and posting the quotes of popular actors, actresses, and motivational speakers, and making very ridiculously easy videos that are getting thousands and even millions of views every time. Yes, you can actually do this on TikTok, posting videos that do not belong to you, and yet, as you see here, you can monetize this channel and make money with it using the TikTok affiliate marketing. This page is making nothing less than $1,000 using the TikTok affiliate marketing process that I will show you in this video. In fact, this TikTok page can make more money from other sources such as sponsorships, TikTok monetization, shout-out, digital product sales, and several other creative means. Now, this is another TikTok page. This page is just covering some Amazon product pictures with text and getting insane views from the videos. If you come to the bio here, you'll see that this channel is promoting Amazon product, and I bet you that this channel is making nothing less than $2,000 every month doing almost nothing. And the good thing about TikTok is that you can easily create very short videos that will get viral views in a short time, and you won't even have to use your own videos like I showed you in the first TikTok page. Here, you can create videos without showing your face or even recording your voice. Relax, because I'm about to show you the whole secret so you too can replicate this TikTok affiliate marketing hack and then start making some insane money from TikTok affiliate marketing. No other monetization platforms will allow you to use this concept except on TikTok. I'll show you how to achieve all of this in this video. So if you're looking for a simple make money online tutorial that breaks down the whole process of making money from TikTok affiliate marketing, then let's begin this amazing journey together so that you can finally begin to make some money online using this legit strategy that works. So let me not assume that everybody who is watching this video know exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. It's simple. In affiliate marketing, you will promote other people's product. This product owner will give you a unique affiliate link to the product or products, and then whenever anyone buys using your unique affiliate link, you will make a commission from the sales. You don't have to worry about the product, how it does, customer service. Yours is just to get someone to click the link and you make your money from there. Now, the more persons that click, the more money you make. So the whole idea here is to get traffic to these unique links through TikTok, because we all know that presently TikTok is the easiest social media platform for any beginner to get massive traffic from ridiculously using easy to make videos. So now I want to assume that you already have your TikTok account, but if you don't already have one, just head over to tiktok.com. If you're on a desktop, or install the TikTok app on your Play Store or App Store. Now, before you create your TikTok account, there are two things you really have to determine before you start. Number one, you want to make up your mind as per the kind of product that you want to promote, because this will give you a direction on how to optimize your TikTok page and then the kind of videos you want to be making. Secondly, you want to know the places where you will be getting your affiliate product from. You know, there are many affiliate programs, marketplaces that you can get products from for free. Some include marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, Amazon, Impact, and even if you're in Africa or in Nigeria where I live, there are several other ones also. It depends on you. But for these videos, I will be using Amazon affiliate marketing to sell fitness products. And that is the idea we're going to be using in this video. So if you don't really know what to sell, you can just go to Google and search for the top affiliate product to sell in your own marketplace. Example, here is an article on the top product to sell as an affiliate in 2023. Best Amazon product to start in 2023. These articles will guide you on the kind of products you can choose. But from this tutorial, I want to promote fitness product because I believe personally that lots of people love the idea of exercising at home. You just make sure that you choose a topic that really solves problem. So come back to TikTok, come here to sign up. I will sign up with my Gmail account. You can use any of your preferred option. I will fill in my date of birth. And here at username, you can choose any username. I will go with something like Home Fit Kids. Okay, this is good. I'll just quickly add a profile picture to my new account. Okay, I mentioned that there are different ways for you to get videos on your TikTok page, your new TikTok page, so you can create your own videos. So if you can create your own videos, that will be fine. But if not, you can also use a tool like Canva to also create, TikTok videos. But since the aim of this video is to make money using the easiest method, I'll go ahead and demonstrate the simplest way to create TikTok content, which is to use interesting videos of other people that I am allowed to use on TikTok. This is a very cool method because you can use quality videos of other people to get massive views on your own TikTok page. So where will I be getting my free videos from? Let's head over to YouTube. In the YouTube search bar, I will simply type a topic related to my TikTok niche. In this case, I will search for simple home exercises. Now, since TikTok videos are vertical videos, I'll come here and select shorts. This will filter my YouTube video results only to shorts, which are always vertical videos. Again, I'll perform another filter, so I will come to the filter here and then I will select Creative Commons. Now, Creative Commons are YouTube videos that you are allowed to reuse without any copyright issues. So I'll just check up on the result and download as many as possible. I'll just go for those ones with good number of views. So let me download this one. Okay, once I download them, all I need to do now is to go back to my new TikTok page and upload this video. I'll quickly do that now. Now I can just decide to credit the original owner of this video here. It won't have any negative impact on the performance of this video. So I'll just add relevant hashtags and then I publish my video. Now, of course, you want to just go ahead and rinse and repeat this process. And using this method, there is no reason why you should not be publishing at least one video every day. Consistency is the key here, guys. The truth is that if you do this just once or twice and then you stop, you won't see any results. If I were you, I would give myself a 3-month challenge to make sure that I post at least one video every day for the next 3 months. That is the only way you can begin to get followers and then your views will start building up. Now that you have your TikTok account working, how do you use it as your affiliate marketing machine to start bringing in money? Now, you need to continue uploading videos to your TikTok and start building your views and followers until you get to 1,000 followers. This is because TikTok will not allow you to paste your affiliate links on your TikTok bio until you have built your page to 1,000 followers at least. So when you do this for, like I said, about 3 months, I'm sure you should be able to get your 1,000 followers. And then once they are ready, then you can create an account with your preferred affiliate marketplace that you can start promoting your products on. So for me, I can promote fitness products because all my viewers and followers will be people that are interested in fitness, since I only publish fitness videos and exercise videos. So you should also relate that to your own niche. So while you're still working on getting your 1,000 TikTok followers, let me show you how to create a bio like this one so that when you are ready to start promoting your affiliate links, you can create something as beautiful and effective as this one you're seeing on your screen. Now you can see here that if you come to this bio link, it will take you to a page like this. This page lets people promote plenty affiliate offers from here. So for instance, if I click on this caption, I'll be taken to the affiliate product that this person is promoting, and then when I make a purchase, the owner of this page gets the commission. So to create a landing page like this one, you can use a tool like Linktree or other tools like beacons.ai or solo.to. But I will demonstrate with Linktree in this video, so I'll quickly go to linktree.com to sign up for a free account. So I'll sign up for free. Email, preferred username, create an account, password, continue, my name. Okay, here I will choose business. We will be using the free plan, so I'm going to click maybe later. So I'll just go ahead and verify this account from my email and then re-sign in. And this account will be ready to use. So here I will just add a link from one of my affiliate links here so that you can see how it's been done. So let me quickly use one of my existing affiliate links for this demonstration. So I will come here, copy, then I'll come back to Linktree and here I will click add link. I'll paste my affiliate link here and click add. As you can see, this link has been added and this is how it will appear on this landing page. I can go ahead and add more links and they will be displayed here just like this one. So this is the link, and I will go ahead and paste it on my TikTok bio once I reach my 1,000 followers. So let's test this link in a new tab and see if it is working. So as you can see, it's working perfectly, and if I click on this link, it will take me to the affiliate offer that I am promoting. Now this Linktree landing page helps us to create as many affiliate links as possible to our TikTok bio so that we can sell different kinds of products, both affiliate products and even our home products. Or if we are selling a sponsored product or service, we can use it also. So go ahead, you should watch this video more than once, follow through the process, give yourself a 3-month challenge. If you do what I ask you to do, then you will easily start getting views, and before your 3 months is even over, you would have reached your 1,000 followers. And then once you achieve this feat, sign up with an affiliate program of your choice, get your unique affiliate link, and then add it to your Linktree landing page. Finally, copy the Linktree landing page URL and paste it on your TikTok bio. As long as you are consistent with your videos, then traffic will keep going to your bio and they'll keep buying your affiliate product, and in less than 6 months from now, you can start making 6 figures from TikTok affiliate program. I already recorded a video if you want to join Amazon affiliate program. I'm going to link this video on your screen, and I'll put it also in the video description. You can check it up and sign up with Amazon, and then you can promote their product on your TikTok account and start making money. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more make money online and digital marketing tips like this one, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.